Today, our group will be present about basic measurement on V, voltage, I, current, and then R, resistance.
Okay, now I will explain you about our circuit. Our circuit is a simple series circuit. From positive terminal will be connected to the switch. The switch will be connected to the bulb. The bulb will be connected to the negative terminal. So this is how our circuit works. We pull on the switch and the bulb turns on.
Now, I will show to you how to use this multimeter. This is the multimeter, and then my task is to measure the current flow in this circuit, and then how to use it. First and foremost, we need to measure current, which is the unit is ampere. So we must use the minimal amount of ampere. So we move the red terminal to the milliampere terminal, and then we choose from off to the milliampere spot. Then we move to the current measurement in this circuit. In this series circuit, this is the input terminal, and while this black road is the output terminal. So we place the input terminal at here at the positive side of the battery. So we can get the reading of the current in this circuit. So we hold. This is the right reading of the current in the circuit, which is 414.5 milliampere. That's all. Thank you.
Now I will explain you about how to measure the voltage. Before that, this is the multimeter. The red terminal will be placed in this place and turn on to the voltage this point. The red probe will be placed in the positive terminal, and the black probe will be placed in the negative terminal. So the multimeter will show the reading of the voltage. The voltage of the battery is 12.02 volt.
We're going to measure the resistance for this circuit. Okay, first we have to move this to the ohm symbol to measure the resistance. Okay, next, place the red probe to the positive terminal and black probe to the negative terminal. Okay, we can see the resistance for this load is 6 ohm.